The sun, our closest star, has always been at the heart of life on Earth. Its warmth nurtures ecosystems, powers weather systems, and provides the energy that fuels every process on our planet. But lurking beneath its steady glow, the sun occasionally undergoes sudden bursts of violent energy. These events, known as solar flares, are powerful explosions that release tremendous amounts of radiation into space, a phenomenon that can have far-reaching consequences, not just for Earth's natural environment, but also for the technologies we depend on every day. Solar flares are intense bursts of energy and radiation originating from the sun's surface or outer atmosphere, known as the corona. When these flares erupt, they release energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation, including X-rays and ultraviolet radiation, which travels at the speed of light and reaches Earth in a matter of minutes. The sun's eruptions are unpredictable. They can range from relatively minor events to massive explosions, often associated with the sun's 11-year solar cycle. These flares occur when the sun's magnetic fields, built up over time, become unstable and release their stored energy in the form of a flare. But what happens when this burst of solar energy meets Earth's atmosphere? What does it mean for our increasingly technological world? In today's world, our lives are more connected than ever before. Satellites circle the planet, providing everything from GPS navigation to weather forecasting. The communication systems we depend on, from cell phones to television broadcasts, rely on signals beamed from space. Our financial systems depend on timing provided by atomic clocks aboard satellites. Power grids, too, are interconnected, sending energy across vast distances. We have come to rely on technologies that depend on the delicate balance of electromagnetic forces that solar flares can disrupt in the blink of an eye. But as powerful as solar flares are, it's not just the magnitude of the event that makes them dangerous. It's how these bursts of energy interact with the Earth's atmosphere and the technology we rely on. The effects are subtle, often invisible in day-to-day life, but the damage they can cause can be significant. When a solar flare collides with Earth's magnetosphere, it can create a ripple effect, one that can disrupt communication, navigation, and even power systems. It's a reminder that while we look to the stars, we must also be prepared for the forces that come from them. Earth is naturally shielded from the worst effects of solar radiation by its magnetosphere, a magnetic field that acts like an invisible force field. This protective shield, created by the Earth's own magnetic field, deflects much of the solar wind and radiation away from our atmosphere, keeping us safe. However, when a solar flare erupts, the radiation can overwhelm this natural barrier. This results in a geomagnetic storm, a disturbance in Earth's magnetic field that can affect a wide range of technologies. These geomagnetic storms, though they occur relatively infrequently, have the potential to disrupt satellite communications, power grids, and even global positioning systems, GPS. When the sun releases a powerful solar flare, the resulting burst of radiation travels at the speed of light, reaching Earth in a matter of minutes. As the radiation enters the magnetosphere, it causes a distortion, a storm, in space, which can interfere with the operation of satellites, causing them to malfunction, lose signals, or even fail completely. In essence, the very systems we rely on to connect with each other and explore the world are vulnerable to the volatile activity of the sun. It's a stark reminder that technology, no matter how advanced, is still very much at the mercy of nature's forces. One of the most vulnerable areas to solar flare activity is satellite communication. These satellites, positioned hundreds, or even thousands of miles above Earth, are exposed to space weather. A powerful solar flare can interfere with satellite electronics, distort signals, and lead to loss of communication. The problem is especially severe in the case of high-frequency (HF) radio communications, which rely on the reflection of radio waves off the ionosphere, a part of Earth's upper atmosphere that is heavily impacted by solar flare radiation. GPS systems, which have become an essential tool for navigation, are also highly susceptible. These systems, which rely on a network of satellites orbiting Earth, provide accurate positioning and timing information used by everything from smartphones to airplanes. Solar flares can interfere with the timing signals that GPS satellites provide, causing inaccurate positioning data, temporary loss of signal, or even complete failure of the GPS system for a period of time. For commercial aviation, maritime navigation, and even military operations, such failures could have serious consequences. Solar flares don't just affect communications. They also impact the infrastructure that delivers power. When solar radiation reaches Earth's magnetosphere, it can induce geomagnetically induced currents, GICs, in power grids. These electrical currents, traveling through transmission lines, can cause transformers to overheat, leading to power outages and, in the worst cases, long-term damage to electrical infrastructure. The massive blackout that occurred in Quebec in 1989, caused by a solar storm, was a warning of just how vulnerable our power grids are to solar flare activity. In the face of these potential risks, scientists have developed new ways to monitor and predict solar activity. Using advanced space telescopes and observatories, such as NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, researchers keep a constant watch on the sun. By observing sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, large bursts of solar wind and magnetic fields, scientists can forecast when a solar flare might occur and how strong it might be. However, despite these advances, predicting solar flares remains a challenge. Solar flares are complex and occur unpredictably. While scientists can often forecast their likelihood, the exact timing and intensity of a flare is difficult to pinpoint with perfect accuracy. This makes it challenging to protect sensitive technologies in real time, especially when a solar event occurs without much warning. To mitigate the risks, space agencies and organizations around the world are working to improve early warning systems. These systems help prepare industries, power companies, and satellite operators for potential disruptions. Some organizations are even exploring ways to design more resilient technology that can withstand the harsh effects of solar radiation. Solar flares not only affect Earth's technology, they also pose significant risks to astronauts in space. For those aboard the International Space Station, ISS, or future missions to the Moon or Mars, the intense radiation from solar flares could be a serious concern. While Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field protect us on the surface, astronauts in space are not so fortunate. When solar flare activity increases, astronauts are at risk of harmful radiation exposure, which can increase the chances of cancer or other long-term health issues. During these periods, astronauts are instructed to take cover inside the ISS's most shielded areas and delay spacewalks or other activities outside the station. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the challenge of protecting human life from solar flare radiation will only become more important. Solar flares remind us that, while we have made incredible strides in harnessing technology, we are still subject to the whims of nature's forces. The sun, both a life-giving source of energy and a volatile cosmic entity, has the power to shape the course of technological advancement. As we continue to explore the final frontier and rely more on space-based infrastructure, understanding and preparing for solar flare activity will become an essential part of our technological future. These solar events show us how interconnected and fragile our technological systems are. They also highlight the importance of continued research into space weather and its effects on Earth. Only by understanding these phenomena can we develop the tools and strategies needed to protect our world and our technologies from the unpredictable forces of the sun.